First of all, I had set the number of pallets that are going to be scanned, and it is stored in the counter address. We see here I have assigned 50 number of pallets. Now I toggle the bits so that it would go on the scan. After I toggle the bit, we see one number of the pallet is being scanned, and we see there is a flashing light or the output that indicates the number of the one of the pallet is being scanned. We see here with the output glowing on here. And after I toggle the second time, the next pallet is running on. We see the output by indicating the green light as the previous one. In this way, we can send the number of pallets to scan the barcode of it. We can do it in the multiple times. How much number of the pallets we are going to scan it. Here I have done multiple times of scanning the pallets by turning on a switch and off. This is my complete program. Now, to identify the number of pallets initially and number of pallets that had been scanned and the remaining number of pallets that are going to be scanned, we can see in the integer file here. The address and 76 I have assigned the total number of pallets to be scanned, and on the address N74 the negative sign is shown here. I have designed like those. That means number of 14 pallets had been scanned, and the number has been assigned to the address number 5 and 75 we see here, and the total number of pallets that are needed to be scanned is seen here on the address number 4 and 74, that is 36. Still, I want to scan other number of the pallets. I don't remember how much pallets I have been scanning. Toggling here, it is like a manual. The number of pallets is already been assigned, and we just need to have to do is to send them in the scanning bar. Let's see how many number of pallets is left to scan and how many already have been scanned. Let's see here. Number 21 is already scanned here, and the number 29 is left to scan. In this way we can see the number that are being scanned and that is needed to be scanned, Here I have used the multiple parameters programs here. In the program I have used the aid move to move the data from one source to another source, and to do the mathematical analysis here. In the aid I have done some algorithm that I have used by myself. In this way we can see the pallets that are going to be scanned or that are needed to be scanned. You see here, this is the register that will show the numbers that I scanned, that are originally assigned, and the number to be scanned. And in this way I have completed the number 2 project. Thank you.